back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today, you guys, we're in my living room, as you can see, and today we're going to be styling my coffee table for the fall season. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Trina. I share all kinds of decorating ideas with you all, especially I love to do styling videos. I love to do home decor hauls, as well as lifestyle videos and cleaning videos. So if you are interested in that content, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad y'all stopped by to watch another video. So before we get started, you guys, this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes for creative and curious. Skillshare offers membership with me. You'll take classes that are designed for everyday real life. These classes are put in place to inspire you. They're put in place to help you express yourself and to utilize your creative outlet. Skillshare offers multiple classes that you can take on a different variety of interests. They have things such as creative writing, they have web design, they have interior design. One of the classes I had the opportunity to take on Skillshare was the interior design basics, and that class was basically taught by Lauren Cox. And the class is not that long at all. The class was like maybe an hour and 30 minutes, and she is an interior designer, and she just basically goes into detail of how you can make your home more beautiful. Like that she discussed inside her class was how to define and how to find out your interior design style. I know a lot of us don't know what our style is. We know we like certain things, but we don't know how to go to that next level, how to combine it to make our space look more beautiful, and how to put those things in place. So with this class, she actually went in and talked about ways that you can help find your interior design style. She also talks about some basics of interior design, of how to buy things on a proper scale, how to use symmetry, and all kinds of different things like that in the class. I really do love, and I thought that it was very helpful, especially in decorating and designing my own home. I love that she talked about color and how to decorate your home using color, even if you're a neutral person or a monochromatic person like me. As you can see, if you've been following me for a while, I am a very neutral person. I love my black, my whites, my grays. That's my thing. But I do love to add pops of color as the season changes. And so in one way that I usually bring in color is I usually bring in color by adding a piece of artwork. I bring in color by my throw pillows, as you can see here on my sofa. I bring in colors from my floral arrangements, and also even my accent wall that I showed you guys in previous videos. So those are the one things that she talks about in her class, is how to add color to your home, how to find that balance, and how to incorporate everything really well to get that beautiful, well-designed look. Skillshare is specifically designed for learning, so that means you won't find any ads at all on their sites or during their classes. They are constantly adding new interests on there, so you can take your creativity to the next level, so you can explore as many topics and many interests that you may like. The first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box below will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership. So now we're going to get started with decorating my coffee table. I'm going to show you how I style my coffee table for the upcoming fall season. Okay, you guys, so here is the final look of how I style my coffee table. I really do love how everything has turned out. So I'm just going to go through and include a mini haul in this video as well. And I just thought it'd be really cool to kind of go through and show you some new purchases that I found, and then also have how I have them displayed currently in my home. So we'll start here at my coffee table. This little ginger jar I hauled before. I got that from Home Goods. Those coasters actually came from an Etsy shop. If I can find her shop link, I'll link that down in the description box below as well. Those coffee table books, the first two came from Amazon. That Ellen DeGeneres home book came from Five Below. That little black tray I got from the At Home store. Those pumpkins are from Z Gallery. That's part of their new fall collection. I absolutely love those pumpkins and the beaded detail on them. They're so super cute. They also have a champagne and silver color that they had out in the previous years as well. So I have those linked down in the description box as well. Then those candlesticks came from Home Goods. Then here at the bottom of my coffee table, those little cute boxes came from Home Goods as well. They're by the Tahari Home Collection. The smaller one was $12.99 and then the larger one was $19.99. That Tom Ford book I got from Amazon. That orb or that little object I got from Target as well, is by the Studio McGee collection. I absolutely love it because it adds a little bit of gold detail to my coffee table. Over here in my entryway, all of this stuff I already had, nothing is new here, but I did want to show you how I have it currently styled at the moment. I just have my Bella vase there with some fall florals, and then I still have my two cloches there. So over here in my little sitting area, I have these Oxford lanterns that I just recently hauled from Z Gallery. I like these lanterns, but I thought that they're very thin and very fragile, so I have to be super careful with them. But nonetheless, they are really cute. So if you're interested, I'll have those linked down in the description box below. Then in a previous video, I shared with you all that I was updating my dining room table and chairs and everything in here. So my previous table, I ended up selling it a while ago. So I've been waiting for about 3 weeks for my dining room table to come in, and it is supposed to be here in a few days. So the next video that you see, my table should be here. So I have a fall tablescape video that's coming up pretty soon. But I just want to share with you all these beautiful chairs that I picked up from Home Goods. They're so cute. I was on the hunt searching for chairs for a while, and I really wanted to find something that was going to be affordable because I need 6 for this space, and these chairs worked out perfectly. So these were $99 at Home Goods. I love it because it has that light cream color that I've been looking for. Then they're just kind of like a timeless, sleek look. So I really love that. And I love that they will match my table perfectly. So my table is pretty large, so we'll see how much space I have to play around with when the table actually gets here. I really love these chairs. They're so cute. And like I said, they were $99, and I was actually lucky to have found all 6 of these chairs at Home Goods. Usually you go in there, you only find 2. And this night, it was like a Monday night. I think you guys will get this video on Friday or Saturday. So I bought these chairs on Monday night. So yeah, so they had just put them out there in the store. So if you're interested, I will check some of your Home Goods to see if you can find some of these chairs. They also had some different style, some French style chairs in there as well. So I would definitely check your Home Goods if you're in a market for looking for some new dining room chairs, because they were putting out some new items this week. Ignore that mirror in the background over there. I have somebody coming to pick that mirror up. But yeah, so I also picked up a few more things at Home Goods, just some small purchases. So I'm going to share with you all the little items that I picked up as well. So also from Home Goods, I picked up this pumpkin pillow. I thought this was really cute. It was actually $12.99, and it's just a nice little soft gray. And I'm actually going to put this in my master bedroom. So I have a video, a clean and decorate me video coming up in that space as well. So I thought this would be cute just to kind of add on my bedding, just for a little bit of fall touch in that room. I'm not going to really decorate in there for fall this year, but I'm just going to add a little bit of fall touches in there. Then I also found these cute little napkin rings. I thought they were so cute. They're shaped like a leaf, and then they're in the gold color. So these were $9.99 a box for a box of 4. So I ended up picking up 2 boxes of these. And then this is the brand here. These are so super cute. So I'm going to use that on my fall tablescape that's coming up pretty soon. Also picked up these red wine glasses from Home Goods as well. I thought these were so cute because I needed some new wine glasses because all of mine have broke, so I ended up picking up a set of 6. These were actually $1.99 at Home Goods. They're kind of thin, so I ended up getting a set of 6, so hopefully if I break one I have some extra ones, but nonetheless these are so super cute. Oh, and I did pick up these little beaded napkin rings from Z Gallery also from a while ago. These were from the Bella collection. These were actually on clearance. I ended up picking up 2 of these. You get 4 in one box. So I ended up picking up 2 boxes, and I think I paid like $10 for 2 of the boxes. They originally are like $19.95 for a set of 4. So I ended up picking up 2 of them, and I think I got them both for like $10 a while back at Z Gallery. So that is it for this video, you guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my uploads. And to all of my returning subscribers, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.